Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can set up your Google Merchant Center. So you can add your products to Google Merchant Center where Google will show your products to the people online. In order to do that, right from your mobile you can do it on your laptop also, but I'm showing on the mobile. On your mobile, just open Chrome browser and just search as myactivity.google.com. So myactivity.google.com. Once you're here in this website, click on these three bars and click on Google account. So this will load up all your personal details and everything, and when you scroll the menu to your left, there will be an option called people and sharing. Tap on this people and sharing, scroll to the bottom. Under business features, there is a option called, see here, manage your business details. I have created my business profile on Google, so this is the option for that. If anyone missed this video or want to create a business profile on Google, I'll drop the link in the description. You can go through that. You can click on this add products to Google for you to set up Google Merchant Center. See here, Google Merchant Center here. So tell Google about your business. Do you sell products online? Yes, I'll sell. What? As you kept it, yes. So there should be a website. So you can give your website. So I'm just giving my website. So do you have physical store? No, I don't have. So I kept as no. If you have a physical store, you can keep it to yes and click on continue. Show your products on Google for free. Yes, this is pretty useful if you have a business or a product to sell online and without any cost, no cost at all, you can promote your products on Google through Google Merchant Center. So the next step is what you need: your own online store. You need to have an online store that accepts payments. For example, I have wristwatches to sell online. So when Google directs a user from Google platform to your website, there should be an online payment system, payment gateway, in order for you to accept and for the user to purchase your products. So this is what indicating the first step. And next, products not services. You need to sell the products such as consulting, massages, repairs. Okay. So this condition also, if you meet, you can click on continue. So you can give the name like whatever the business name, wristwatch, something like. Okay, registered country, you can give your country, and you can opt for this or you can uncheck this. That's absolutely your choice. You can click on continue to Merchant Center. See, just within 2 minutes, I have set up Google Merchant Center account right from my mobile. This you can do it on the laptop also. That's it for now. In the next video, we'll see how we can add the product details and business information and everything detailedly in the next video. Please do comment that what are your questions on Google Merchant Center and on which topic it's better for me to do a tutorial video on Google Merchant Center. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.